KZIA, stock analysis, and KZIA, stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade, because I'm the only guy in this stock trading space that has actually done and recorded. Never seen before 42,000 videos like these. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Not only seen, actually showed you. So Kazia Therapeutics, after a crazy pump up like that, but like not most of the time, all the time, I'm looking to just squeeze the most that I can out of it. You know, this is, I mean, what we reached the top of. I do genuinely think there could be some more juice left to squeeze, but if I do not see the price actually pulling down a bit and giving me a double break, then there's going to be just no way that I'm going to be buying. It's really real simple. So all I will be doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting, and if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Okay, so that's how KZIA is looking like.